Howdy! Welcome to Spartan Kids. Today we will draw an ice cream. Yummy! So let's draw an ice cream and make it very, very lovely. Come on, take out your drawing book and colors and let's make something creative because it's coloring time. How to draw an ice cream. Step 1. Draw a cone. Step 2. Above the cone, draw two same horizontal lines parallel to each other. Step 3. Connect the two straight lines with straight vertical lines slightly rounded at the edges. Step 4. Draw rim lines and diagonal lines below. Step 5. Add diagonal lines in the opposite direction. Step 6. Draw the first ice cream layer. Step 7. Add another ice cream layer. Step 8. Add a third ice cream twist on top. Step 9. Inside, draw swirl lines in each. Step 10. Trace with a marker and color. Enjoy your ice cream! Thank you for watching our Spartan Kids videos. See you soon with something new!